Hello and welcome to your pit stop. Take a moment now with a breath and welcome a little more ease and comfort into your body. You don't need to change anything. Just arrive here with whatever you're carrying. Notice how much energy is in your head right now. Thoughts, planning, stories swirling without pushing them away. Just notice. Notice with your breath. Imagine that awareness softening, sliding down like water dripping slowly into the body. Bring your awareness down through your jaw, your throat, your chest, like you're letting gravity carry you and your awareness from the mind downward. Keep sinking lower into your belly, your hips, your legs. Feel the weight of your body resting, supported. The chair, the floor, the earth beneath you, holding you without condition. Bring your attention to the very base of you, your seat, your tailbone, the bottom that meets the earth. Notice any sensations there: pressure, warmth, steadiness. This is your root, your foundation, and you are now aware of it. Notice if anything wants to shift. Deepen your breath, loosen your shoulders, adjust your hips, move in any way your body guides you to. You don't have to do anything. Just notice what happens when you listen. Your body wants a small sway. Maybe a breath releases with a sound. Maybe stillness feels like the deepest movement of all. There is no right way. You're already doing it. Your body knows the way back to balance. Just notice and listen. Imagine roots extending downward from the base of you, weaving deep into the ground. Each breath softens you deeper into this system. You are safe to rest here. You are safe to land. Notice if your awareness has crept back upward and gently invite it back down. Take a deep breath in through your foundation. And as you exhale, notice the calm that is available when you let yourself land. This pit stop is always here, and so are you.